warriors ready to meet the beast of low skies. Today on Military Colossus, we unveil the A-10 Thunderbolt II, the legendary Warthog, famous for surviving brutal damage and destroying armor with its GAU-8 Avenger cannon. Throughout the video, you'll uncover secrets and curiosities that make it a feared icon to this day. Good fight. The A-10 is deliberately subsonic, built to fly low, turn tight, and loiter for hours. Its twin TF-34s sit high to dodge debris and ground fire, and are canted down 90 degrees to align thrust with the center of gravity. It can fly home on a single engine and keeps continuous ignition when firing the GAU-8 to prevent gun gas flameouts. The APU sits near the nacelles. The telltale black soot streak on the left engine gives it away. Short fuselage houses, GAU-8A, and titanium bathtub cockpit. Straight, wide, low wings enhance lift and ease rearming. Rugged semi-recessed landing gear enables rough field ops. Twin tail fins improve stability and reduce engine heat signature. The A-10's core is the GAU-8 Avenger, a 30mm 7-barrel cannon so massive it fills the nose and even slows the jet a few knots when firing. Delivering up to 4,200 rounds per minute, its depleted uranium shells can pierce modern tank armor. To balance the load, the active barrel aligns with the fuselage centerline. Beyond this, the A-10 carries 16,000 lb across 11 pylons, AGM-65 Mavericks for long-range tank kills, Sidewinders for air defense, rockets, conventional and laser-guided bombs. It also fields jammer pods, chaff, and flares for survival in contested skies. This mix makes the Warthog one of the most feared CAS aircraft ever built. Initial A-10A served attack missions, OA-10A modified for FAC. YA-10B was a 2-seat night attack prototype. The upgraded A-10C added digital cockpit, GPS, and advanced pods like Lightning for precision engagement. Operated solely by the USAF, including active, ANG, and reserve units. Over 700 built, now modernized to A-10C standard. Saw heavy action in the Gulf War, Afghanistan, and Iraq. Export attempts, e.g. Turkey, were blocked. Built for close air support, KES, the A-10 excels at tank busting, striking vehicles, bunkers, and providing limited air defense versus helicopters. Also performs armed recon, FAC, escort, and combat search and rescue, CSAR. Mission accomplished, warriors. If you enjoyed the raw power of the A-10 Thunderbolt II, you know what to do. Hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next missions. Every week we bring new military machines with detailed info and exclusive footage. Drop a comment. Which aircraft or vehicle do you want to see in the next video? Support Military Colossus with a donation. Link in the description and pinned comment. Your support keeps the channel flying higher and higher. See you in the next mission.